Eccoci ragazzi, eccoci. It don't happen ragazzi oh. Italia are looking for more than 100,000 construction workers ragazzi. This one a great opportunity to Nigeria living in Italy. Abeg make una try share this post till Nigeria wey dey corner of Italy see this post ragazzi. Una dey see this site ragazzi, see construction work wey full am. See am, see salary 2k 15. If you just sabi dey do anything for house, even though na painting, you get hope ragazzi. Make una see am, this one na construction work o. This one so na work, job opportunity. This one when you dey see so, you wey dey look for job for many years, this is a great opportunity. Grab am ragazzi, grab am, grab am. Share am to your brother, even though say you no dey Italy, you dey Nigeria. Share this video to your brother so that make e see am when e dey Europe. E say e no get job, Europe don tire am. This is a great opportunity ragazzi. Wetin you need to do, number one thing, you need to get curriculum, CV. If you can't get that CV ragazzi, you go get drive for your phone. Not be driving license, so na drive. If you can't get drive ragazzi, you can't put that CV for PDF before you go fit send that ragazzi o. If you no wan meet agenzia, any corner when you dey for Italy ragazzi, wetin you need to do? You go write Impresa. See am, I started to write am so. Impresa Edile. As I tell write this Impresa Edile Milano. You go write am for your city, the city when you do, when you dey. All the whole Impresa Edile, the whole construction company ragazzi go come out. Now you go dey select by yourself. Now you dey whine me now. You go dey run for work kiti. Now work go dey pursue you. If you get power to work or even woman, guys dey do construction work. You fit dey paint for site ragazzi. No waste time. No let anybody deceive you. Say you no fit do construction work. Painter dey. Ibianchino. I do painting for donkey years. Donkey. Wetin you need to do after those Impresa delay come out? Their number dey there. You see Milano, more than 10,000 Impresa delay na dey Milano. More than 10,000 construction company na dey Milano ragazzi o. Now for you to type am, as you type am, so you see am, their site go come out. All those company, their number dey there. You fit save am, you fit even call them. Capo, check un ragazzo per lavorare. He go tell you say see. Or you send that message, or you send that your CV. You tell us say buongiorno capo. Cerco lavoro. Lavoro edile. Construction work. My brother, I don't finish. Now call subito. Now great opportunity. You dey Nigeria. Share this post to your brother when they IT. You dey Germany. You dey run kitty. They don't give you what they call am do. You dey run. Now come back to Italy. Come carry construction work. They will give you contract. Yeah, you will get 10 4 10. They will pay you double salary for summer. For December, they will still pay you double salary. You get 1 month ferry, 1 month ragazzi. You dey work Monday till Friday or Saturday. You dey house with your family. This is a great opportunity. Tap this opportunity. My next video ragazzi, I go show una how they take dey do CV, how they take dey do curriculum. Make una share this post ragazzi. I come in peace.